सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः and welcome to 272 द्विसप्तत्यधिक द्विशततमी कक्षा। सो वयं तत्र संख्या शब्दान् पठामः। संख्या शब्दाः पठ्यन्ते अस्माभिः। गतकक्षायाम् एषः पाठः प्रारब्धः, संख्यापाठः। एकतः चतुर्पर्यन्तं तत्र त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु तत्र शब्दाः भवन्ति। एकशब्दः विशेषणत्वेन यदि भवति, एकः पुल्लिङ्गे, एका स्त्रीलिङ्गे, एकं नपुंसकलिङ्गे, द्वौ पुल्लिङ्गे, द्वे स्त्रीलिङ्गे, द्वे नपुंसके, त्रयः पुल्लिङ्गे, तिस्रः स्त्रीलिङ्गे, त्रीणि नपुंसकलिङ्गे, चत्वारः इति पुल्लिङ्गे, चतस्रः इति स्त्रीलिङ्गे, चत्वारि इति नपुंसके, पञ्चतः आरभ्य तत्र लिङ्गभेदः न भवति, विभजनं तत्र न भवति। सर्वेषु वचनेषु सर्वासु च सर्वेषु लिङ्गेषु एक एव शब्दः भवति। पञ्च इति, पञ्च बालकाः, पञ्च बालिकाः, पञ्च महिलाः, पञ्च पुस्तकानि इति वयं तत् गतकक्षायां दृष्टवन्तः। अद्य पुनः अभ्यासाः सन्ति, अभ्यासान् कुर्मः। वयम् इदानीम् अवधेयमिति पृष्ठाङ्कः 645 पृष्ठाङ्कः भवति। 546 पेज, मिडिल पोर्शन वी हैव डन yesterday. Srinivas. So एकोनविंशतितः स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 19 नवविंशति up to 29 यावत् संख्येयवाचकानां the cardinals are संख्या शब्दानां रूपाणि विंशतिवत् एकवचने भवति. In एकवचन they will be running like 20 विंशति only from 19 to 29. Now we paused yesterday. There was a bit little confusion was there. So in the next box, ekonatrimshattama, ekonatrimshat also means 29. The previous one, ekona vimshatihi means 1 less 20. This is a way of saying in Indian. We have in Indian language also, Urdu and Hindi, ekam bis, ek 29 iti, una 29. I think that is 29 maybe. 29, una 30, 1 less 30, 1 less 20. Ekona vimshatihi, eka una vimshatihi. Nama 1 less 20. This is one way of saying 19. Another way of saying 19 is ekona trimshat. There is no confusion, Srinivas. We got confusion again. Yeah. Sorry, here.
This
Avadeyam, na? Rupani vimshativat. Navavimshati. Here is Navavimshati. Navavimshati 29. Ekona trimshat also means 29. Eka ona trimshat, 1 less 30 is equal to 29. Navavimshati, you go from right to left. Navavimshati 29. In English we come from left to right. But in Sanskrit, as you are watching, even to say this today's class, Dvisaptatyadhika Dvishatatami Kaksha. So we are first taking coming from right to left, like Urdu in spelling out the Sankhya number. So that is, there are two ways. Now when we take Navavimshati, it is Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. When we take Ekona Trimshat, it is Thakaranta. The ending is changing. That is why two versions are given here. Ekona Trimshat. Thakaranta. So anyway, we'll come down, Srinivas. Shashti Shabdaha. Now, So 29 to 59 will be derived like ekona trimshat. From Shashti onwards, like this. Shashtihi Strilinga, Saptatihi Strilinga, Shatam Napumsakalinga. Why these numerals are also having gender cannot be answered properly. Why Vimshatihi is Strilinga? Why Navatihi is Strilinga? Why not Pullinga? Why Shatam should be Napumsakalinga? Isn't it? So this is prefixed gender fixation. So Shashtihi, Shashtim, Shashtya, Shashtyayi, Shashtaye. There are two forms here. Shashtyayi, Shashtaye, Shashtyaha, Shashtehe, Shashtyaha, Shashtyaye. One is like if you remember Mati Shabda, Matyaha, Matehe. There are two forms. Matyaha, Matehe, like that. Matyam, like Shashtyam, Matau, Shastau. So if you remember Mati Shabda, Ikaranta, Strilinga Mati Shabda, this is just like that, Shashtihi. Even if you compare from Prathama to Shashtihi, Matihi, Matim, Shashtim, Matya, Shastya, Matyai, Mataye, Matyaha, Matehe, Matyaha, Matehe, Matyam, Matau. Okay? Then, Saptati, likewise also, Saptatihi, Saptatim, Saptatya, Saptatyai, Saptataye, Saptatya. You can go through Saptatyam, Saptatau. So, Saptati is derived like this. And Shatam is Napumsaka. And Shatam, Shatam, Shatena, Shataya, Shatat, Shatasya, Shate. This is exactly like our Vana Shabda. Vanam, Vanam, Vanena, Vanaya, Vanaya, Vanat, Vanasya, Vane. Shatam is like Vana Shabda. Akaranta, Napumsakalinga. Vana Shabda. So you can see, very easy. Shatam, Shatena. Shatapt. So again a note here is Ekona Shashtitaha. From 59. Eka Una Shashtitaha. From 59. Navashashtim Yavat. Navashashtim means 9, 6, 69 up to 16. From 59 to 69, Sankhya Vachakanam, Sankhya Shabdanam Rupani Shashtivat Ekavachane. So they will be like Shashti only. From 59 to 69, their derivation will be like Shashti. From 69, once again, Ekona Saptatihi. Now here again the same expression is differently said. Eka Una Saptatihi, 1 less 70, that is 69 to 99, Navanavati, Navanavatim Yavat, Sankhya Vachakanam, Sankhya Shabdanam Rupani, Saptati Vat Ekavachane. So from 69 to 99 it is like Saptati, 59 to 69 it is like Shashti. Well, difference is very narrow. Sankhya Vachakanam, Shatasahasradi, Sankhya Shabdanam Rupani Ekavachane Bhavanti. Now from Sankhya, these numerical numbers, cardinals from Shata, Sahasradi, Shatam, Sahasram, Laksham, up to Laksham, but here Sahasradi, Shata Sahasra, Shatam, Sahasram, Laksham also included, Sankhya Shabdanam Rupani Ekavachane Bhavanti. They will be in Ekavachana, we will see. Mere reading is of no use, we will see application later. Now Abhyasa is coming, Srinivas. Again there is a mistake printed in the English. Write various forms of the word Eka according to the nouns, according to the Visheshya. So Eka Shabdasya Vividhani Rupani Visheshyanugunam Likata. Udaharanartham Ekasmai Balakaya Paritoshikani Dehi. Give presents to one boy. Ekasmai Balakaya Paritoshikani Dehi Yacha. Kaschid Vadati Ekasmai Balakaya Paritoshikani Dadatu Dehi Yacha iti Kasmin Kaschit Purushaha va Kachit Mahila va Katayati iti. So somebody is saying this. Give the gifts to one boy. So Balakaya is Chaturthi, therefore Ekasmai we have used in Chaturthi. Yes, number 1, Srinivas.
Ekaha Balakaha Dhavati.
So you have already, dash you have not read. Dash Balakaha Dhavati. So we pick up Ekaha Balakaha Dhavati. Since Balaka is Pullinga, you cannot use Eka Balakaha, nor can you use Ekam Balakaha, which is ruled out. So Ekaha Balaka, very good. 2.
Dash Balika Khadati.
Eka Balika. So Balika is Strilinga, therefore you use Eka in Strilinga, Eka Balika, Eka Nari, Eka Mahila, Eka Kanya. 3. Ekena Chatrena Now this is chatrena is pullinga, trutiya ekavachana. Therefore, ekena chatrena puraskarah jitaha. The award was won over by one student. The award was won by one student. Ekena chatrena puraskarah jitaha. Now this is passive construction also, Srinivas, by the way. Ekena chatrena puraskarah jitaha. 4.
dash mahilaya puja kruta ekaya
Yes, ekaya mahilaya puja kruta. This is also a sentence in karmani prayoga. Etad vakyam karmani prayoge asti. Ekaya mahilaya puja kruta. Kayachit ekaya mahilaya puja kruta. By some lady puja is performed. 5.
dash devat varam ichhati ekat
Ekat, going by deva, ekat devat varam ichhati. Somebody is wishing a boon from one god. Ekat, not ekat.
devat
Oh, Srinivas, it is ekasmat. Check. Where is eka? Ekasmat, not ekat. Ekasmat devat varam ichhati. 6.
dash devya pushpam patati
Devyaha is Shashti, Panchami, both from anyway, you have to take Eka in Shashti or Panchami. From only, this is Panchami, or it could be Shashti also. Ekasyaha
ekasyaha
Devyaha Pushpam Patati. The flower of goddess is falling. The flower which is decorated on a deity is falling something. 7.
dash phalam patati
Very simple. Ekam phalam patati. One fruit falls. 8.
dash
Again.
pushpam chinoti ekam pushpam chinoti
Ekam pushpam chinoti. Somebody is collecting one flower. Chinoti means collecting, gathering. Ekam pushpam chinoti kaschit purushaha. Understood. 9.
dash balikayai modakam dehi
Ekasyai Ekasyai balikayai modakam dehi. You give a sweet to one girl. You give a sweet or give a sweet to a girl. Ekasyai balikayai modakam dehi. Dehi nama yacha. What is understood? Tvam, subject. Tvam yacha. Tvam dehi. Tvam iti adhyaraha. 10.
dash swadu na bhunjati
Bhunjita. This is Bhunjita, potential mode. Ekaha. This is a famous quotation. Ekaha swadu na bhunjita. One should not eat alone any sweet. When you are eating sweet, you should share it with somebody. Ekaha swadu annam. Swadu annam or anything. Na bhunjita. One should not eat any sweet by his own self, on his own. Rather share it. Ekaha nama alone, one alone. So ekaha swadu na bhunjita. This is one subhashita. Yes. Swadu sweet. Swadu implied is annam.
ukaranta pullinga
Ukaranta napumsakalinga. And that is why there is no anuswara. If it is pullinga, gurum, anuswara comes. Gurum, swadu, swaduni, swaduni, madhu, madhuni, madhuni. Ukaranta napumsakalinga shabda. Swadu, pratama, dvitiya ekavachanam. This is dvitiya ekavachanam. Ekaha purushaha, swadu, na bhunjita. One should not eat any sweet. 11.
dash cha artham
Oh, that sloka line is given there. You can see in the down over there only. Smarata, under smarata, first sentence. Ekaha swaduna bhunjita. Okay, then 11.
dash cha artham na chintayet
Here also ekaha cha artham na chintayet. One should not think about making money alone. एकः च अर्थं न चिन्तयेत्. One should not alone think about money making, but rather go collectively or with some people. So ekah cha, this is a continuation. You can see the line there in the Smarata. You can show them there na. Ekas chartam na chintayet. This is continuation of this. Ekah swaduna bhunjita ekas chartam na chintayet. So 12.
That suputrena kulam ujvalam bhavati.
Ekena suputrena kulam ujvalam bhavati. By one good son, the family becomes illuminated. The family becomes illuminated. Ujvalam, lighted up. Family becomes famous. Ujvalam means here famous. By one good son. Ekena suputrena kulam ujvalam bhavati. Like we have, this is also Subhashita line. Ekena suputrena simhi swapiti nirbhayam. Ekena suputrena simhi swapiti nirbhayam. A lioness sleeps without any fear with one good son. Dashabihi putraihi bharam vahati gardavi. A donkey, donkey takes the load having 10 sons. So there is some lesson for human beings. If you have more children, then it is like a donkey's life. If you have less children, one child, then your life is like a lion. Ekena suputrena simhi swapiti nirbhayam dashabhi putraihi bharam vahati gardavi. So that is there in Panchatantra actually. 13.
Dash vahnina vanam dakhyate.
Vahni is Pullinga Shabda. This is Kavina, like Vahnina, Agnina. Ekena Vahnina. This is a passive construction. Vanam dakhyate. With one fire, the forest is burnt. Vanam dakhyate. Forest is burnt. Ekena Vahnina. With one fire, little fire, whatever, the whole forest is burnt. So Ekena. 14.
Dash latayaha pushpam anaya.
Ekasyaha latayaha pushpam anaya. Tvam understood. Tvam anaya. You bring a flower from one creeper. Ekasyaha latayaha pushpam anaya. 15.
Dash vrukshasya phalam nayatu.
Very simple. Ekasya. Ekasya vrukshasya phalam nayatu. You take the fruit of one tree. Take the fruit of one tree. Ekasya vrukshasya phalam nayatu. 16.
Dash marge gacha.
Ekasmin marge gacha. Go on one, on a road, on one road. Ekasmin marge gacha. Marge is saptami, therefore tvam understood. Ekasmin marge tvam gacha. 17.
Dash utpitikayam sthapaya.
This is Strilinga, Saptami, Utpitika, like Kanya, Utpitikayam, on a table. So, Ekasyam, Utpitikayam, Sthapaya. Keep something, it is incomplete sentence, keep on one table. Ekasyam, Utpitikayam, Iyam Utpitika atra, Asmakam Purataha astina, Esha Utpitika asti. उत्पीठिका एकस्याम यदि अन्य उत्पीठिका तत्र भवति तर्हि अहम वदामि एकस्याम उत्पीठिकायां स्थापय. कीप ऑन वन टेबल. अंडरस्टैंड?
Dash asandam anaya.
Very simple. Asanda shabda is Pullinga actually, but it is used in Dvitiya Ekavachana. So ekam asandam anaya. Bring one chair. Bring anaya, bring tvam ekam asandam anaya. 19.
Dash dinasya katha asti.
Ekasya dinasya katha asti. This is the story of one day. Story of one day. 20.
Dash ratrehe ghatanam vadami.
Again, Ratri Shabda is Strilinga Shabda. Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. Shashti Ekavachana. So, Ekasyaha Ratrehe Ghatanam Vadami. I am telling you the story of one night. of one night. Ekasyaha ratrehe ghatanam vadami. So rapidly I will sum up. Do you think writing is simple? We have to write it. For those all are ekavachana. So I'll slowly repeat. 1. Ekaha balakaha dhavati. 2. Eka balika khadati. 3. Ekena chhatrena puraskarah jitaha. 4. Ekaya mahilaya puja kruta. 5. Ekasmat devat, etc. 6. Ekasyaha devyaha. 7. Ekam phalam. 8. Ekam pushpam. 9. Ekasyai balikayai. Ekasyai syai. 10. Ekaha swadu. 11. Ekaha cha artham. Again ekaha in 11. 12. Ekena suputrena, and so on. 13. Ekena, again ekena vakhnina. 14. Ekasyaha latayaha. 15. Ekasya, very simple, ekasya. 16. Ekasmin marge. 17. Ekasyam utpitikayam. Ekasyam. 18. Ekam asandam anaya. 19. Ekasya dinasya. 20. Ekasyaha ratrehe. So these are the answers, and some thing is here. Ekaha swaduna bhunjita, I have already explained. Ekaschartham na chintayet. One should not think about making money alone. So, that is there. No, this is different story. The sloka, I thought ekena suputrena. Suvrukshena is given. Ekenaiva, read Srinivas. So,
ekenaiva suvrukshena pushpitena sugandhina vasitam tad vanam sarvam suputrena kulam yatha.
So here this Subhashita I quoted is compared with a lion there. Lion has one son and sleeps very lioness. But here it is compared, Suputra is compared with a Suvruksha. Pushpitena Suvruksha. So ekena, now you go to this. Ekena eva. First to break the sandhi. Ekena plus eva vriddhi sandhi. Ekenaiva suvrukshena. Pushpitena. Pushpitena suvrukshena. By mere one tree which is well flowered. Sugandhina. Now, suvrukshena has two adjectives here. Pushpitena sugandhina. Pushpitena suvrukshena sugandhina vrukshena. Visheshana dvayam atra. Visheshyasya. Visheshyam kim atra sloke suvrukshena iti visheshya padam. Etasya padasya dve pade visheshana pade. Pushpitena iti ekam padam. Sugandhina iti anyat padam. Both are in Tritiya. Are you watching? Pushpena sugandhina. Ekena eva. With one flowered and scented good tree. Vasitam tad vanam sarvam. The entire forest becomes scented, perfumed. With one good tree which is scented, which is perfume, which is having flowers and also good aroma, sugandhina. With one good tree having aroma and flowers, Vasitam means scented, perfumed. Vasitam tad vanam, that one forest can be spread with scent. Sarvam, vanam sarvam, suputrena kulam yatha. Just like yatha ekena suputrena kulam sugandhitam bhavati. Like that. So with having one good putra, your entire family gets a good name. Just like one good tree in the forest spreads the aroma, entire aroma in that area. Similarly, one good son in a family brings good name to the entire family. Ekena suputrena kulam yatha. यथा कुलं प्रख्यातं भवति तथैव. So that is the Subhashita here. Okay. अग्रे सरामः. अभ्यासः 7,50,200तमः अभ्यासः. 257 exercise. द्विशब्दस्य रूपाणि. Okay, एक we have studied so far. इदानीं वयं द्विशब्दं पश्यामः, पठामश्च. Now fill in the blanks here with the forms of dvi according to the Visheshyanugunam anusaram, qualified. Again the mistake is continuously going. Qualificands, what English it is? You can take Srinivas. So we are now concentrating on Dvivachana, Dvi Shabd. Dvabhyam balikabhyam saha gatavan. Just a minute. Srinivas, we studied yesterday. In Dvivachana, there is no, you have seen where it is in the previous. Yeah. In Dvivachana, Napumsaka and Strilinga are same in the first two cases. Tritiya to Saptami, they are all like Napumsaka Linga and Strilinga are like Pullinga only. So please remember, just you can show them 544 before we go with this. Let them have a look. Dvau dve dve, dvau dve dve, dvabhyam dvabhyam dvabhyam, dvabhyam dvabhyam dvabhyam, dvayoho dvayoho dvayoho, dvayoho dvayoho dvayoho. So let us come back here. So dvabhyam balikabhyam sahagatavan. Somebody has gone along with two girls. Someone XYZ has gone with two girls. Dvabhyam balikabhyam sahagatavan along with. So one Rupyakabhyam.
Rupyakabhyam kritam etat pustakam.
Again you have to use Dvabhyam. Dvabhyam Rupyakabhyam kritam etat pustakam. Etat pustakam. This book is bought with 2 rupees. Bought by, we generally say in English, bought for 2 rupees. Na? Bought with 2 rupees. So Dvabhyam Rupyakabhyam kritam. Kritam means bought. Etat pustakam, this book. 2.
Dash balikau agato.
Balakau.
Sorry, balakau agato.
So agatau is adjective here, verbal adjective to balakau agatau. You can see the synchronization in the form. Balakau agatau. Balakaha agataha. Balakau agatau. Balakaha agataha. If you derive this adjective like verb, verbal adjective. So balakau is pullinga shabda, therefore dvau balakau agatau, meaning 2 boys have come. 2 boys have come. Dvau balakau agatau. If you were to use regular verb, you have to go to the memorization of exercise. Agachat, agachatam, agachan. Bahuvachana. Dvivachana if you pick up. Agachatam, agachat, agachatam. Dvau balakau agachatam. Well, it is not, it is a regular verb, but not going with the forms of this. More comfortable is participle ktanta, which we studied. This is agata is ktanta prayoga. Agam dhatu you take and ta add at the end. Past tense it is converted. Agatau. Very easy to use with balakau. Balaha agataha. Balakau agatau. Balaha agataha. So, dvau answer. 3.
Dash galike agate.
Now you see agata is changed in Strilinga. How? Dve balike, balika, balike, dve balike, agata, balika, you take balika, agata, balike, agate, balikaha, bahuvachanam, agataha. So that is the alignment. Balika, agata, balike, agate, same way, derivation. because it is adjective now. Verbal adjective it is. So you can very clearly see the difference here. Balakau agatau, balike agate. If it is neuter gender, also same thing. Yane, dve yane agate. Two vehicles came. Is it there? Not there. Okay. 4.
Dash patre patataha.
Dve patre patataha. Now this is present tense. Patati patataha. Dve patre, two leaves are falling. Dve patre patataha. 5.
Dash vrukshau shobhate.
This is also present tense. Shobhate, shobhete, shobhate, shobhete, shobhante, atmanepada. Third person, dual number. Prathama purusha dvivachanam. Dvau vrukshau shobhete. Two trees are shining. Dvau vrukshau. That is the answer. 6.
Dash chhatrabhyam pustakam dehi.
Dvabhyam chatrabhyam pustakam dehi as the first tense. So what does it mean? Give a book to two students. Give a book to the two students. Dvabhyam chatrabhyam. 7.
Dash mahilabhyam shatikam dehi.
Same thing. Dvabhyam again. Dvabhyam mahilabhyam shatikam dehi. Give a sari. Give a sari to two women. Two ladies. Shatikam Srilinga. Mahilabhyam Dvabhyam. 8.
Dash vrikshayoho patrani patanti.
What is the answer? Shasti.
Dvayoho.
Dvayoho vrikshayoho patrani patanti. The leaves of two trees are falling. The leaves of two trees are falling. Dvayoho answer. Vrikshayoho. 9.
Dash latayoho pushpani vikasanti.
Same answer. Dvayoho latayoho pushpani vikasanti. The flowers of two creepers are blossoming. Vikasanti or blossoming. 10.
Dash ambra vrikshayoho phalani madhurani santi.
Again, dvayoho amra vrikshayoho phalani madhurani santi. The fruits of two mango trees are sweet. The fruits of two mango trees are sweet. Madhurani. Now here, what is adjective, Srinivas? Madhurani. Adjective to the Visheshya Shabda Madhu Phalani. Madhuram Madhure Madhurani. Phalam Phale Phalani. 11.
Dash bhavanayoho chitrani.
Again, dvayoho bhavanayoho chitrani. Etani. Something is missing, not said. These are the pictures of two buildings. Dvayoho bhavanayoho chitrani santi. Etani. Etani let us bring in. 12.
Dash udyanayoho
Janasammardah.
asti.
Dvayoho udyanayoho janasammardah asti. That means there is a crowd in two gardens. In the two gardens here. Because udyanayoho could be saptami also. Saptami dvivachana, shashti dvivachana same. Dvayoho udyanayoho sammardah asti. In two gardens there is a crowd. 13.
Dash janayoho vivade trutiyasya labah bhavati.
This is dvayoho janayoho vivade. Dvayoho again jana. Trutiyasya kim bhavati la. You know what is the meaning? Between the quarrel of two people, third person gets the benefit. Dvayoho janayoho vivade. When two people are arguing, when two people are arguing, third person gets the benefit. Trutiyasya labha bhavati. Kalahe would have been better. Dvayoho janayoho kalahe trutiyasya labha bhavati. When two are quarreling, verbally quarreling, physically quarreling, then third fellow will get the benefit. Trutiyasya labha. 14.
Dash putribhyam mata abhinandita.
Very simple. Dvabhyam putribhyam mata abhinandita. Mother is greeted by her two daughters. Or pleased. Mother is pleased by her two daughters. Last one.
Dash putrabhyam yanam
Arudham. Dvabhyam putrabhyam yanam arudham. This is also passive karmani prayoga vakyam. Dvabhyam putrabhyam yanam arudam means vehicle is occupied by two sons. Dvabhyam putrabhyam. So I think this is the easiest one. Just fast I will do. 1. Dvabhyam rupakhyam. 2. Dvau balakau. 3. Dve balike. 4. Dve patri. Dve gaike. 4. Dve patri. 5. Dvau vrikshau. 6. Dvabhyam chatrabhyam. 7. Dvabhyam mahilabhyam. 8. Dvayoho vrikshayōh. 9. Dvayoho latayōh. Again, dvayoho amra vrikshayōh. 10. 11. Again same. Dvayoho bhavanayōh. 12. Same. Dvayoho udyanayōh. 13. Same. Dvayoho janayōh. 14. Dvabhyam putribhyam. 15. Dvabhyam putrabhyam. So it is so simple that dvayoho is repeated so many times here. So I am एषः अभ्यासः अपि समाप्तः भवति. यत्र द्विशब्दस्य प्रयोगं वयं दृष्टवन्तः, अस्माभिः पठितः, अभ्यासः अपि कृतः. अग्रे गत्वा अष्टपञ्चाशदुत्तर 258 त्रिशब्दस्य रूपाणि प्रयोगाः. Now again you do the same thing. We need not go for the direction here. So one udaharana. Trayah balakaah
क्रीडांगणे क्रीडन्ति.
So trayah balakaah क्रीडांगणे क्रीडन्ति. 3 boys are playing in the playground. Very simple. Now 1.
Dash महिलाः नद्याः आगच्छन्ति.
Yes, in Strilinga the derivation is different. I think 444 again.
545.
Oh, sorry, 545 it is. Can show them once you can. Just to show them. Trayah tisrah trini trayah tistrin tisrah trini tribihi tisrubihi tribihi tribhyah tisrubhyah tribhyah त्रिभ्यः तिसृभ्यः त्रिभ्यः त्रयाणां तिसृणां त्रयाणां त्रिषु तिसृषु. So in Strilinga it is totally changing, and Napumsaka is same from Tritiya to Saptami. Please keep a track of this and we proceed. So tisraha mahilaha nadyaha, that means 3 women are coming from the river. Tisraha mahilaha nadyaha, from the river. Naditaha agachanti are coming. There is one prahelika Srinivas. Orally I will tell, I will not write. Ekona vimshatihi. Snatum sarayum gataha. Ekona vimshatihi. Snatum sarayum gata. Ekona vimshatihi janaha. Something is there, I am not sure. Snatum, to take bath. Sarayum gata. Nadim gata. They went to the river. Ekona vimshatihi. Tatra mahila. Tatra eka makaragrasta. Tatra nadi samipe eka mahila. एका स्त्री मकरग्रस्ता, मकरेण ग्रस्ता. पुनः 20 आगता. पुनः 20 आगताः. Again 20 came. This is a prahelika in Sanskrit. But what is the beginning one? Ekona 20 स्नातुम सरयुम गताः, नदीम गताः. How many went?
20.
एकोना 20. 19. तत्र एका मकरग्रस्ता. One was caught by the crocodile. पुनः 20 आगता. How many came back?
20.
What are you saying? 19 went. One was caught by the
crocodile. 20
again came. So there it is explained. I will write in the next class that one line, maybe one word I am not recollecting. Ekaha na. We break this sandhi. Ekaha na. Na means naraha. Nru shabda is there in Sanskrit. Rukaranta. Nru. Na narau naraha. So eko na. Ekaha na. Vimshatihi striyah. Oh, sorry. Ekona vimshatihi striyah. Now I got it. Ekona vimshatihi striyah snatum sarayum gataha. You first think it is 19 women who went to take bath. But there, eko na. Ekaha, the same ekaha. Numerical. Na, naraha. Vimshatihi striyah. 20 ladies. Tatra eka stri makara grasta, makarena grasta asit. One woman was taken, seized by crocodile, alligator. Punaha vimshati agata. Again 20 people came. Okay. 20 women and one male person went to take bath.
Total 21.
21. Tatra eka makara grasta punaha vimshatihi agata. So this is a prahelika based on numerical number. Ekona, you are taken somewhere. Ekona means one less, vimshatihi, 19 you say. But that ekaha na is a shabda, nru shabda, nrusimha, narasimha, both are there. Nru shabda is na ekavachanam, narau vivachanam, naraha bahuvachanam. In bahuvachana you get naraha, but naraha is also there in akaranta pullinga shabda as ekavachana. Understand? Naraha agachanti, if I say people are coming, one should not take it as a mistaken sentence. Naraha agachanti. Naraha agacchati is also okay. Naraha agachanti is also okay. So ekaha na ekona. That is the way. Got it now? Ekona vimshati striyah snatum sarayum gataha.
Na is string, sir.
Na is pratama ekavachanam nrushabda. Pullinga.
Na.
That is why ekaha is there. In the prahelika, eko na. Ekaha na. Na is equal to nara. That na is there, na? That is prathama ekavachanam nrushabda. Na, narau, naraha. Nrushabda is there, na? Na, narau, naraha. Sure.
Small doubt.
No, it is justified. This is prathama ekavachana. Prathama vibhakti. This is ekavachana. Narau dvivachana. That is it. Naraha is bahuvachana. But this naraha is also ekavachana, na? In what shabda? This is from nru shabda. Nru. Rukaranta, nru shabda. Na, naro, naraha. Naram, it goes like. So in the prahelika I quoted just now, it is ekona. Even if you just to confuse, ekona vimshatihi. Vimshatihi striyah, etc., etc. So when we are breaking this, ekaha plus na, vimshatihi striyah. Na, or na, vimshatihi 20 striyah ladies. So that is it. That is the confusion.
Ekona vimshatihi sarayim gatva. Sarayim gataha.
Snatum sarayim gataha.
So in this one
pullinga is there. Even then gataha for all same. Mahilaha gataha, na? We take the same.
Gataha is pertaining to vimshatihi.
Vimshatihi. विंशतिः स्त्रियः गताः. गत शब्द in स्त्रीलिंग is सीता गता.
Correct.
महिला गता, महिलाः गताः.
One pullinga is also there, no? So in that case, how?
That is prahelika.
No, in case
Even if it is there is one pullinga, it is included there in that. Gataha. Supposing if gata is used only for pullinga, naraha gataha, you say. Naraha gataha, naro gatau, naraha gataha, striyaha gataha. In gata, strilinga also same way derived, pullinga is also same derived. Only in ekavachana you find the difference, like balika gata, balakaha gataha, visarga is there. Balike gate, dvivachana, balakau gatau. Okay? In bahuvachana, balikaha gataha, balakaha gataha. Same na?
suppose only one pullinga is there.
One pullinga is there, then you have to say gataha only.
Ekaha na
Gataha only, yes. We may study in the book when there are 2-3 lingas, which linga should be. So pullinga takes over generally. Pullinga dominates over strilinga and napumsakalinga. When it is strilinga and napumsakalinga dominates over. Some such rules are there, we will see later. But here it is okay. Gataha is applicable, correct one. Any diversion, but very suitable to our study. Where are we now?
Second, sir. 258, number 2. Dash pustakani jeevnani santi. Trini pustakani jeevnani santi. Page number 549.
Yeah. Trini pustakani. Okay, Trini. Third sentence.
Dash chhatran pathaya.
So chhatra shabda is pullinga, therefore Trin chhatran pataya. Teach to 3 students. Trin chhatran pataya. 4.
Dash adhyapikaha amantrayatu.
So what do you pick up?
Adhyapika.
Strilinga. Tisraha adhyapikaha amantrayatu. Invite 3 teachers, 3 lady teachers. Tisraha adhyapikaha amantrayatu. Okay, 4, 5.
Dash vahanani pasya.
Trini vahanani pasya. See 3 vehicles. Watch 3 vehicles. Trini vahana. 6.
Dash gurun namata. Again 3.
Trin gurun namata. You all salute 3 teachers. Namata is bahuvachana in madhyama purusha. Nama, namatam, namata. Imperative mode. Tvam nama, yuvam namatam, yuyam namata. You all salute. Yuyam namata. Trin gurun namata. You all salute 3 teachers. 7.
Dash chhatrebhyaha
Sudhakandam.
dehi.
Tribhyaha chatrebhyaha Sudhakandam dehi. Give a chalk piece. Sudhakandam chalk piece to the 3 students. 8.
Dash mitrebhyaha vartam shrunu.
Same. Tribhyaha mitrebhyaha vartam shrunu. This is Panchami actually. Tribhyaha Panchami. Mitrebhyaha vartam shrunu. You listen. Tvam shrunu. You listen about the news from 3 friends. Tribhyaha mitrebhyaha vartam shrunu means you listen to the news from 3 friends. Next. 9.
Gayakebhyaha
Geetam shrunu. Again, tribhyaha gayakebhyaha geetam shrunuta. You all listen. Now shrunuta here, bahuvachana. Second person. Shrunuta. You all listen to the song from 3 singers. You all listen to the song from 3 singers. Tribhyaha gayakebhyaha geetam shrunuta. 10.
Dash matrubhyaha ramaha ashirvadam gruhnati.
Now tisrubhyaha matrubhyaha ramaha ashirvadam gruhnati. Rama takes blessing from his 3 mothers. Tisrubhyah Matrubhyah. From his three mothers, Ashirvadam Ramah Grikhnati, Svikaroti. Rama takes blessings from his three mothers, Kausalya, Sumitra and Kaikeyi. 11.
dash Shramikānām āvasyakata asti.
Trayanam Sramikanam Avashyakata Asti. There is a need of three laborers. Sramikanam, Trayanam Sramikanam Avashyakata. There is a need of, demand of three laborers. 12.
dash Nartakīnām nrutyam pasya.
Nartaki is Strilinga. Therefore, Tisrunam Nartakīnam Kim?
Nrutyam pasya.
That's it. Yes. Tisrunam Nartakīnam Nrutyam Pasha. Watch the dance of three dancers. Nartakīnam. Nartaki is like Nadi. Nadīnam. Nartaki, Nartakyau, Nartakyaha. Nartakīnam. Tisrunam Nartakīnam Nrutyam Pasha. Tvam Pasha implied. 13.
dash Mitranām namakim.
Trayanam. Mitra Shabda is Napumsakalinga Shabda. Although it is friend, but Napumsaka Mitram. Mitranam. Trayanam. Mitranam. Namakim. What is the name of the three friends? Next.
dash Putreshu Pituhu Vishwasaha asti.
You take Trishu. Sorry. Putrishu. First Putra. 14. Trishu Putreshu Pituhu Vishwasaha asti means in the three sons, father's confidence is there. Father has confidence. Pituhu Vishwasa asti means father has confidence in his three sons. Trishu Putreshu Pituhu Vishwasa asti. Here Pituhu is used in Shasti in possession, not relation sense, in the possession. For Pituhu Vishwasa asti, these three words should be understood as father has confidence, faith in the three sons. Next, Tisrushu Putrishu Mata Snihyati. Mother loves her three daughters. Now, when love is expressed, you put Saptami by that rule. Sneha Dhatu is there, na? Snihyati, Mata Snihyati. Therefore, Tisrushu Putrishu Mata Snihyati means mother loves her three daughters. We will rapidly do this. One going back. Tisraha Mahilaha Nadyaha Agachanti. That is why I am reminded of this. Ekona vimshati striyaha snatum sarayum gataha. Okay. 2. Trini pustakani. 3. Trin chatran. 4. Tisraha adhyapikaha. Strilingam. 5. Trini vahanani. 6. Trin gurun. 7. Tribhyaha chatrebhyaha. 8. Tribhyaha mitrebhyaha. 9. Tribhyaha gayakebhyaha. 10. Tisrubhyaha matrubhyaha. 11. Trayanam Sramikanam. 12. Tisrunam Nartakinam. 13. Trayanam Mitranam. 14. Trishu Putrishu. 15. Tisrushu Putrishu Mata Snihyati. Do you think you can write it in next class? Just very easy. Write out and let them show. 258. You write this one in only one line, Srinivas?
Yeah.
You can do from 57, 58 you complete. Just make a note in yourself. You keep it ready for the next class. Idanim samaya asti va?
Yeah. Another 5 minutes.
Panchanimeshaha sesha. Panchanimeshaha seshaha. Panchaseshaha nimeshaha. Idanim abhyasa, nutana abhyasah asti. Ekona Shashtyuttara Dvishatatamaha Abhyasa Chatur Shabdasya Rupani. Idanim. We are going to 4.
545.
You can read, Srinivas.
I'm showing the Chatur Shabda.
विशेष्यानुगुणं चतुर्शब्दस्य रूपाणि रिक्तस्थाने लिखत.
चत्वारः चतस्रः चत्वारि.
Yeah, you show them. चत्वारः चतस्रः चत्वारि.
चतुरः चतस्रः चत्वारि. चतुर्भिः चतुस्रुभिः चतुर्भिः. चतुर्भ्यः चतुस्रुभ्यः चतुर्भ्यः. चतुर्भ्यः चतुस्रुभ्यः चतुर्भ्यः. चतुर्णां
चतस्रुणां चतुर्णां चतुर्षु चतस्रुषु चतुर्षु. So page, this is shown to them. So let us come back here.
उदाहरण चत्वारः वेदाः अध्येतव्याः.
Okay, it's a thinking, wishful thinking. I mean, it's our hope, optimistic way. Chatvarah Vedaha Adhyetavyaha means all the 4 Vedas to be studied. Now who will read it? So, Chatvarah Vedaha Santi. Let us make also a sentence like that. Chatvarah Vedaha Santi. There are, so this sentence means 4 Vedas should be studied. 1.
Dash Gruhinyah Pakam Kurvanti.
Chatasraha Prathama Chatasraha Gruhinyah Pakam Kurvanti. 4 women, housewives are cooking, making the dish. Gruhini, Gruhinyau, Gruhinyah, Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah. Chatasraha Gruhinyah Pakam Kurvanti. Okay, 2.
Dash Sthanani Riktani Santi.
Chatvari. Sthanani is Napumsaka, therefore Chatvari Sthanani Riktani Santi. 4 places are empty. 3.
Dash Granthan
Patatha. Read 4 books. Granthan is Pullinga Shabda, firstly. So you have to take Pullinga, not Napumsaka or Strilinga. Chaturaha. Now here you see, Chaturaha also looks like Prathama Ekavachana. There is an adjective, Chaturaha. A clever person is called Chaturaha. Now if you take numeral, this is Bahuvachana. Chaturaha Balakaha. Chaturaha Balakaha. Chatura Balika. Chatura Balika. Clever girl. But here Chaturaha, Dvitiya Bahuvachana here. So that is that. So see, physically they are 2 different. Granthan is different. Chaturaha is like looking like a singular, isn't it? So but derivation like Chaturaha Granthan Pathata. Granthan Bahuvachana. So Chaturaha is also Bahuvachana. Dvitiya Bahuvachana. If you take Pustaka Shabda, Pustakani, then this Chatura changes. Chatvari Pustakani Patata. See, if you use Pustaka Shabda in the place of Grantha, which is Pullinga, Chatvari Pustakani Patata. Why so? You take Vedan Patata. I remove this Granthan, put Vedan here. Chaturaha Vedan Patata. Read 4 Vedas. Granthan, Vedan, both same. Next. 4. So again, Balikaha is Dvitiya Bahuvachana. Chatasraha Balikaha Ahvaya. Call, invite 4 girls. Chatasraha. 4, 5.
Dash Thalaphalani Aswadaya.
Chatvari. Phalani is Napumsa. Thala, that is palm fruit. Yeah. Enjoy 4 palm fruits. Palm, P-A-L-M, palm fruits. Thala phalani, aswadaya. Enjoy, taste. Chatvari, answer. 6.
Dash Purushaihi Karyam
Sampaditam. Work is accomplished by 4 people. Chaturbhihi Purushaihi Karyam Sampaditam. Work is done or accomplished by 4 men. Chaturbhihi Purushaihi. Okay? Next.
dash
चतस्रुभिः I have given the answer उपचारिकाभिः
रुग्णः
परीक्षितः उपचारिका स्त्रीलिंग शब्द नर्स नर्स उपचारिकाभिः चतस्रुभिः उपचारिकाभिः रुग्णः रोगी परीक्षितः patient was examined by 4 nurses. Upacharika means could be also physician also. Upacharika generally nurse here. So a patient was examined by 4 nurses. Last ones, here we stop 9. Yeah.
dash कर्मकारेभ्यः कर्मकरेभ्यः वेतनं देहि
चतुर्भ्यः कर्मकरेभ्यः वेतनं देहि give salary to 4 servants, 4 people.
dash गायिकाभ्यः पुरस्कारान् देहि
गायिका स्त्रीलिंग शब्द. So चतस्रुभ्यः गायिकाभ्यः पुरस्कारान् देहि give presents to 4 singers. You can stop here. Shubham bhuyat.